An exciting new feature in Microsoft Power BI is the ability to connect to your data flows in DirectQuery mode, as opposed to having to import all of your data. This is handy if you don't want to be orchestrating refreshes between datasets and data flows. You can simply have queries go directly against your data into Dataflow, ensuring your data is synchronized. Let's walk through the process. The first thing we need to do is make sure that the data flow we want to connect in DirectQuery mode is in a premium workspace, and that our Dataflow's workload is turned on. Next, we go into Settings, then Dataflow Settings. The data flow we're going to connect to in DirectQuery mode is called Hotel Justina. We need to make sure that the Enhanced Compute Engine settings are turned on. DirectQuery support is only available when the Enhanced Compute Engine is turned on, so this is a good check to do. Now, we navigate over to Power BI Desktop and select our Power BI Dataflows connector. Let's jump into the workspace where we just turned on our Enhanced Compute Engine for the Hotel Justina data flow. If we compare this data flow icon to another one, we notice slight differences. This icon indicates that DirectQuery mode is supported for this data flow. For comparison, we bring this entity over here and bring in another entity from this other data flow over here. Now let's load these into the Power BI report. Notice that this first entity does not have its storage mode set to DirectQuery, so we can only connect to it in import mode. However, for this entity, we have a choice. We can either connect in import or in DirectQuery mode. For this example, we select DirectQuery mode. Let's bring this data into the model. When we hover over these tables, we note this one's operating in DirectQuery mode. This one's operating in import mode. At this point, like we would with any other data source, we start plotting our Power BI reports. We can drag in various fields, and visualizations are automatically going to start appearing. And this is all going against the data flow directly connected to our data in DirectQuery mode. This is how Power BI data flows now support DirectQuery capabilities using the Enhanced Compute Engine to provide users self-serve analytics.